Welcome to AI Pulse Trends. This channel dives into the dynamic world of artificial intelligence. From cutting-edge technologies to insightful tutorials, AI Pulse Trends is the go-to hub for AI enthusiasts and curious learners alike. The motivation behind this channel stems from a passion for AI's transformative power. AI has revolutionized industries and improved lives, yet many feel overwhelmed or disconnected from its complexities. AI Pulse Trends aims to make AI approachable and relatable, breaking down complex topics into actionable insights. AI is not just for experts, it's a tool for students, small businesses, and everyday people. By making AI accessible, this channel inspires viewers to embrace its potential. Expect the latest developments in AI, from innovations to research breakthroughs. Deep dives into AI concepts will clarify how algorithms work and the power of machine learning. Discussions will cover AI's impact on healthcare, education, entertainment, and the environment, while exploring its future. This channel fosters community engagement. Questions will be answered, live discussions hosted, and viewer insights featured in future videos. AI Pulse Trends welcomes everyone interested in artificial intelligence. Tech enthusiasts can stay updated on advancements, while students and professionals can expand their knowledge. Curious minds, regardless of technical background, will find valuable content tailored to their interests. What sets this channel apart is a commitment to quality and accessibility. Clarity in explanations, relevance through practical examples, and engagement through discussions create a vibrant community of AI enthusiasts. Learning will be enjoyable and interactive, using storytelling, visuals, and real-world examples to bring AI to life. This journey is about understanding and embracing the future together. Join the community by subscribing and turning on notifications. If excited about learning with us, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends. Let's explore the limitless potential of artificial intelligence together. Thank you for watching this introduction to AI Pulse Trends. Stay tuned for the next video. See you soon.